Take a look at that beauty. Just going to cut it. Just have to preheat it. Start mixing everything. So while our oven is preheating, I already have 4 eggs here. I'll set that aside. So I'm going to be mashing 2 bananas. We're just making a little bit. This is what this is looking like. I'm going to be adding it today. I'm going to be adding that. So this is half cup of sugar. Man, I think I'm not going to pour in everything because banana cake for me, I think you don't need too much sugar because the banana already is sweet. I have one Greek yogurt. This one is coconut flavor, but you can use natural one. So we are going to mix that up. I'm going to whisk it up before we add the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to be adding 1 cup of vegetable oil. We're going to be adding 2 cups of flour, a pinch of salt, and half sachet of baking soda. This is half sachet. So we're going to just mix that up. Okay, it's time to take a spatula. So for our pan, I'm just going to spray it with a little bit of oil. Just sprinkle a little bit of flour. We're going to add a little bit of almond flakes for that extra garnishing. This one is optional though. Our cake is in now. I'm going to leave that for 45 minutes. Our cake is ready. I came right in time. Look at that, looking so beautiful.